Estate sale, $40 out the door. Box full of tools, mostly USA. Let's take a look. So we got 3/8 Craftsman USA breaker bar. It's got the V stamp. Excellent condition. We got a Craftsman 3/8 drive speed handle. Always wanted one of these, never used one. So we got some adjustable wrenches, Diamond brand, and these are pretty old. You can see one of them says Diamond Cock Horseshoe Company. Got some double end, box end wrenches, 1/2 inch and 9/16 SK, 3/8 and 7/16 USA. Got a long and a short. 7/16 Craftsman combination wrench. And then we got a double open end wrench that's been modified. Got some old school ratcheting wrenches, Craftsman USA. Got a bunch of screwdrivers, Stanley, Fuller, Craftsman, Exolite, and Miller Falls. Got a trio of Utica cutters and pliers. Not too familiar with the brand. Velchek Dino cutters, Cleveland, Ohio. These are unbranded, but they do say number 257, forged in West Germany. If you know anything about this, drop a comment below. So channel lock, and it says Medville, Pennsylvania, USA. Heavy duty lineman pliers. Never had channel locks that said Medville, PA, so they must be pretty old. So this surprised me. I thought these were channel locks, tongue and groove pliers. Wasn't until I got home that to find their Fuller, made in Japan. Really good quality. Glad I picked them up. Stanley wood chisel, Proto USA punch, as well as some Craftsman punches. Craftsman mechanics ball peen hammer, professional mechanic, size 8 ounce. Got a bunch of these BNC 1-inch C clamps, as well as some 2-inch and some pony 4-inch. Let me know, what would you use these 1-inch C clamps for? I've never used anything this small, so what would you use them for? Drop a comment below. And next up, just a bunch of random stuff that I threw in the box. DuPont penetrating lubricant and moisture guard number 7, full cans, made in USA. And just an old tiny mini tube of dielectric Permatex grease. It says 1988 on it, Loctite Corporation. Craftsman Barlow pocket knife. This one, it kind of looks to me like it could have been made by Buck Knife. If you know, drop a comment below. It's been well used and very sharp. So here's another before picture. And this is after everything's been cleaned and oiled. What do you think? Anything stick out to you in particular? Leave a comment. Thanks.